Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we have to start homogeneous differential equation. So, first we have to know what is homogeneous differential equation. How we will find that the given equation is homogeneous or not. So, in this, dy by dx is equals to fx over gx. Now, fx and gx having degree same. If fx and gx having degree same, then the given equation is said to be homogeneous differential equation. Now, let us take an example. dy over dx equal to y upon x in the bracket log y upon x plus 1. In this, we find that the power of x and y in both the cases is 1. That is same. Power of x and y is same. So, this equation is homogeneous equation. Now, our aim is to reduce this homogeneous equation into variable separable form. Okay, we have to reduce this equation into variable separable form, and this can be done by putting y equal to vx. Now, differentiate both the sides. dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. So, the given differential equation can be simplifies to, in the place of dy by dx we can write v plus x dv by dx, and in the place of y we will write vx. So, vx over x log vx over x. In this way, x and x will cancel out in the both the cases, and the equation simplifies to v plus x dv by dx is equal to v log v plus 1. Okay, open this bracket, we will get v log v plus v, and this v shifted to this side, then minus v plus v will cancel. Okay, and we left with x dv by dx equal to v log v. Now, from here we are in position to separate the variable in this way. 1 upon v log v dv is equal to dx over x, variable separable. Now, after this we have to integrate, so integrate both the sides. Now, how can you integrate 1 upon v log v? So, as simple as that, put log v equal to t, and derivative of log v is 1 upon v dv equal to dt. So, 1 upon v will cancel out, and we left with dt upon t and dx over x. Now, 1 upon t integration log t, and integration of 1 upon x is log x. So, log t plus equal to log x. Now, here we have to write a constant, that is c, but in the both cases we have log, so write c as log c to make it very easier. Now, log x plus log c can be written as log xc. Now, log and log will cancel out. Okay, and put the value of t, that is log v equal to a. So, put the value of v, that is y upon x. So, log y upon x equal to xc. Therefore, y upon x equal to e ki power xc, or y equal to x e ki power xc. This is the full and final solution. Now, proceed to next question. Next question is dy over dx is equal to y square minus x square upon 2xy. In this case also we find that power of y is 2, power of x is 2. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. So, power of numerator and denominator is same. Therefore, it is a differential equation of type homogeneous. So, again give the substitution y equal to vx. Now, differentiate both the sides. You will get dy over dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Okay. Now, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx, v square minus 1 upon 2v. Okay, after cancelling the x term, this will be left with this. So, again try to separate the variable in this form, and after this you have to integrate, log and log will cancel out, and here is the solution. So, students, in this way you can solve homogeneous differential equation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.